lovely students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Ghalib's English School. In today's video, I'm going to talk about prefix. What are prefix and why do we use them in English language? Before I start, I would like you to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon down below for all the updates. So let's begin with the definition of prefix. Prefix are a group of letters which we add at the beginning of our words to change their meaning. Here are some examples. The first one is un. We have a word breakable, but when we add un at the start of this word, at the beginning of this word, it changes its meaning. It becomes from breakable, it becomes unbreakable. The second one is believable. If we add un at the start of this word, it makes it unbelievable, which is completely opposite. The same is the case with able. You are able to do something means you have the capacity, you have the skill to do that. But when we add un at the start of this word, it becomes unable. You are unable to do that. Thinkable. Un plus thinkable becomes unthinkable. Predictable. Un plus predictable, it becomes unpredictable. And finally, forgettable. Un plus forgettable becomes unforgettable. He was unable to attend the meeting. The second one is re. Re plus start, restart. Re plus play, it becomes replay. Re plus read, it becomes reread. Re plus place, it becomes replace. Let me use one of them in a sentence to make you better understand. She decided to reread the book for a better understanding. The next one is dis. I'm going to use dis at the beginning of certain words to change their meanings. So let's begin with the first one. Qualified. I'm going to add this prefix to qualify to change its meaning. Disqualified. So dis plus qualified becomes disqualified. Respect. When we add dis at the beginning, it changes its meaning. Magic. Disrespect. Next one is agree. Let's play with that. Dis plus agree, it changes its meaning. It becomes disagree. Dis plus appear, it becomes disappear. Dis plus satisfy becomes dissatisfy. That's how prefix play their role in English. The disagreement between them escalated quickly. Let's go to the next one. Pre. Pre plus position becomes preposition. Historic. Pre plus historic becomes prehistoric. Pre plus pair, prepare. Students need to prepare for the upcoming exam. Next one is miss. We use miss at the beginning of certain words to change their meaning. For example, understand, misunderstand. Match, mismatch. Behave, misbehave. His mistake caused a misunderstanding between them. I'm going to go to the next one, and that is inter. Inter means between. So with national, we add inter and it becomes international. Inter plus act becomes interact. Inter plus change becomes interchange. Football is the most famous international sport. The next one is im. We have possible, but when we add im at the beginning, it becomes impossible. We have moral. When we add im at the beginning, it becomes immoral. We have patient, and we add im at the beginning and it becomes impatient. We have balance, and we add im at the beginning and it becomes imbalance. His bike's wheels were imbalanced, which caused him a lifelong disability. Next one is auto. Auto means self. For example, Biography. If we add auto at the beginning, it becomes autobiography. Automatic. Autofocus. Here's an example. She read the autobiography of American president and got inspired. The next one is over. For example, cook plus over. Overcooked. Load. If we add over at the beginning, it becomes overload. Qualified. Add over at the beginning, it becomes overqualified. Next one is weight. You add over, it becomes overweight. Here's an example. He was overqualified for the job. Next one is under. Underqualified. Value. If you add under at the beginning, it becomes undervalue. Underestimate. Undertake. Here's an example. She underestimated herself, but actually she was very clever. So guys, these are commonly used prefix in English language. If you like this video, give me thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.